If your bank accounts are maintained, then producing a reconciliation for any month of interest should be quick and easy. This is a blank one, which would reflect that no information was entered into the cash journal yet. This is what a reconciliation would look like for the month of August for the account we have been looking at. As previously mentioned, this should automatically populate based on the information entered in the Account Activity tab. The important thing here is to analyze this in conjunction with your bank statement for the chosen month. A reconciliation can only be validated if the corresponding bank statement aligns with it. Note that the difference in reconciliation in row 38 will always be 0, even if there is a mistake. While we do want it to be 0, we want to verify it with our bank statement. Let's quickly go through the transactions. We have deposits totaling $122 and a stopped check for $100, which is also a credit to the account, so a total of $222 has been added to the beginning book balance of $5,360.44. During August, there was a total of $362.40 in disbursements made. However, in row 28, we see that one of these checks has not been cashed yet, so it is still an outstanding check. This means that the money is still in the bank and needs to reflect that. In row 32, we have the balance that we should expect to be on the bank statement as of the end of August. If you notice in row 35, there is an amount for cash on hand. This is because there was money received by the school in cash at the very end of the month. This $78 is part of the $122 from row 14. But since this amount was not deposited prior to the 31st of August, it is considered cash on hand. Finally, in row 36 we need to adjust for that $78 even though it has not yet made it to the bank. So, in this case, the ending book balance, line 24, is not going to be the same as the ending balance on the bank statement, line 32.